Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning.
Morning.
And thank you for participating in this seminar. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ajis. I'm student of English Student Education, student of English Language Study Program at Halal University. In this presentation, I like to talk about the effectiveness of ebook for extensive reading activity. I've chosen this topic because nowadays ebook is often used for education. According to ebook Everest 2011 Global Student ebook Survey, more than 74 students use ebook for research and class assignment. In addition, students also use ebook for doing extensive reading activity, especially students of second language learners, because with ebook second language learners, it helps students of second language learners to find the materials for doing extensive reading. Because as we know that in our country, print book in English is still hard to find. Ebook give a lot of benefits for extensive reading, but however, ebook also have disadvantages. So now regarding with the topic, now I'm going to discuss two main areas. The first one is what the advantages of ebook, and the second one is what disadvantages of ebook. Now let's start with what the advantages of ebook. Well, actually there are three advantages of ebook. The first one is easy to find the book to read. For second language learners, with ebook it helps them a lot because as I've said before that in our country print book in English is still hard to find. Then if a student want to read extensively, they need to find the material. Then ebook become a solution because student can find book for the reading extensive reading in internet. They just need to search in internet book that they want to read, because internet provides many materials like book, novel or magazine that they can use for extensive reading. Well, extensive reading gives a lot of benefits for students of second language learner, because as I've said before, because that print book in our country is still hard to find. We move to the second advantages of ebook. Carry your entire library in your device. With this space becoming commodity and the size of portable device, which is getting bigger, it allows you to save many books in ebook form in your device, because without getting afraid about the size, because in ebook size it's not a problem. Then your library is just as bigger as your drive. So with these advantages, we, a student who reading extensively, can save many books that we can use to read extensively. So when we do extensive reading, we can easily, after we finish one book, we can easily move to another book. Then our reading will continuously. And then we move to the last advantages of ebook. We can easy to share. With ebook in electronic form, you can easily share or recommend the book that you have read with your friends, because with ebook in electronic form, you just need to, if you want to share your book that you have, your good book that you have read, you just need to send them in their email or send them in their list. So with this sharing, it gives a chance for students to read many good books. Now we come to my next point. What the disadvantages of ebook? Well, the disadvantages of ebook is uncomfortable to read for a long time and need to be print. Um, Actually, because ebook, if you want to read in ebook form, we have to read it in the screen. But mostly students cannot read in the screen for a long time. Read in the screen also can cause muscle strain and backache. So it has become a problem. Students also need to print the ebook. Then it become another problem of doing extensive reading, because if the ebook is quite long, then the student need more cost to print. Now I'd like to conclude my presentation by emphasizing that ebook now is very important because it is very often used for education. Ebook gives a lot of benefits for doing extensive reading because, as I say it again, ebook is and print book is still hard to find in our country. But ebook is not perfect yet for doing extensive reading because ebook still have weaknesses. Okay, thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please ask. Please ask. Okay, come on.
Okay, thank you very much for the time. My name is Solis Gamana. You have explained before about the advantages using ebook and doing extensive reading. My question is that which one, for you, which one is the more effective one, using ebook to do extensive reading or using print book? And the second question is still have correlation with the previous question, is that about we already knew that nowadays the technology are developing fastly. So I think you have explained before about the disadvantages using ebook itself, that we need to print it out. But we already knew that the using of such as tab or iPad, something like that, will help you to read the materials of extensive reading but still in a book form. I think that's all.
Okay, your question first is about what is the more effectiveness of ebook for doing extensive reading. I think the more effectiveness is the first advantage that I've said before, that you can easily find the materials that you want to read for the extensive reading, because I said again that in our country, print book is still hard to find in English. So with ebook become a solution for us with this problem. And your second question is about the technology. Okay, I think before I come in this presentation, I have read a link that about the ebook, the technology of ebook. Some of company have made some application, like not application, it's something like gadget that make we as a student or people can read in ebook form without have a problem, like the problems that I've said before.
Yeah.
You get the point?
Yes.
Okay. Any question? Okay, please.
Okay, thank you. My name is Yadis Arli. My question is it correct if we use ebook in elementary school that don't have laptop?
Okay. For your question, I think the answer is it is depends on the school itself. If the school have a technology that can make student use ebook, or provide or the school have a technology that provide student for using ebook, so why not student of elementary school using ebook? Any question? Yeah, please.
My name is Nestianti, and my question is, if you become a teacher, what you do to make effectiveness this activity?
With using ebook, you mean? I think if I become a teacher, I have to looking for some some web that provides many kinds of ebook that we can use, that student can use for it extensively. Because if I have found a good web address for that provides many kinds of book that they can use, the student can use for doing extensive reading. So I just need to download it, and then I can share it to the student, so the student can read extensively with ebook. If they not enjoy read it with ebook, they can print it, or they can make a book project like we have done before. Any question? Okay. Thank you very much for your participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.